In many cases, the convenience and organization offered by a spreadsheet just can't be beat. That's why you may sometimes choose to plan and organize your orders offline, and why we at NorthEast developed Import Order functionality. Quick and easy to use, Import Order allows you to skip the process of adding products into your shopping cart by simply uploading an Excel or CSV file. And unlike many other import tools, our Import Order feature doesn't require you to adhere to a specific template. After you upload your spreadsheet, you have the option to map columns to the appropriate value labels. This quick procedure allows you to retain your preferred spreadsheet structure. Once your spreadsheet is submitted, every product and quantity specified is instantly added to your shopping cart, with pricing and availability clearly displayed. From there, all that's left to do is check out. By processing hundreds of line items in mere seconds, the Import Order feature enables you to operate more efficiently while still using your familiar tools and practices. To learn more, reach out to your local NorthEast electrical rep today.